No battery. Action 5 Pro. Turn on the camera by hitting the mode on button. The camera would be on first startup all the time. Takes about 9 seconds. Simply hit record. Off you go. According to DJI, Natalie, she says, "Hi there, thank you for reaching out. Upon checking, yes, you can use the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro without a battery. If it's connected to a power source via USB-C cable, however, some modes like subject tracking." Now let's go to subject tracking. I'm going to put my camera down, and I'm going to record. Unable to start recording, insert battery to current mode. You get a nice screen that pops up on there. And that's what it says. So there she is right. Now, this is like GoPro. Why does it need additional power when I'm on 3.0 amperage? Tap it to get rid of it. It will show the box and it will show it tracking. But when you hit record, it won't start. All right. So now she says also supernite. So let's go to supernite. There's supernite and hit record. Look what happens when it went to supernite. Let me go back to supernite, make sure I'm on supernite, and hit record. It blacks out the screen and puts subject tracking on. Now we got a problem, DJI. That is a bug, an issue. That they know supernite doesn't work, but causes an issue. And we're on not the grayware officially released as V0103.0330. We're on an earlier firmware known as V01.03.20. I believe that's what it is. So let me double check what I'm on. I don't want to make a mistake and make sure that DJI has corrected the issue, because I guarantee you they did not correct the issue at all with the latest firmware, and we still have it. The firmware is V01.03.02.10. That's it. There you go. Thank you for allowing me to make this video showing you that supernite goes to subject tracking. But before I go, I want to test out this theory. I'm on subject tracking. I'm going to put the battery in, make sure I get it in the correct way. I'm going to press on record. I'm going to pull out the battery. And there you go. It needs to have the extra oomph. With the battery on, it won't work. We could do the same thing here. Put the battery back in. Start our camera back up. And go into, did you see that? Our camera just went haywire. Go into supernite. Start the camera up. And then pull the battery out. And we got issues. And it won't work that particular way. Now I can start my camera up. And I'm on subject tracking because of the bug and issue. So let's get off of this and just go into video mode, as you can see. And we can start our camera. we can remove the battery without issues and record. And then we could stop and continue to record, but we cannot go into subject tracking and record. I basically covered all my angles. The only way you're able to do subject tracking with an external battery is getting a dummy battery that somebody out there could 3D print to stick into the camera and go that route. There you go. Now I pulled the battery out and then I'm able to record. Put the battery in, Fish. Keep the battery in. Have a great day, everybody.